It's Safer Internet Day, and here at PALS we have 2 quick tips to help you be safer on the internet. The first is look for the lock, and the second is a few tips on how to create safer passwords. So what is the lock? The lock indicates a secure website. So if you're going to be putting in personal information like your banking site, you want to make sure that you have the lock at the top of your screen by the search bar. So if you're wondering where that is, this is what it looks like on your screen. You've got your little lock here because TD Canada Trust is a bank, so you want to have that secure banking lock there. If you have one of these other symbols, so if you have an I, then it's not secure, and especially if you have this red triangle with the exclamation mark, that is a unsecure site. Do not put your personal information in there. So tip number 1, look for the lock. Tip number 2 is to create a safe password. Creating safe passwords is something that bothers everyone. It's so hard. We have so many passwords to remember and so many sites to remember. It's super hard. Everyone wants to just get one password and use that over and over again. That, first of all, is probably the worst thing you can do. Stay away from personal information. Try to use symbols and numbers in your password. One way to add these in is to replace a letter with a symbol or a number. And last but not least, make sure you have different passwords for all of your sites. Try making a password using these instead of letters. Try switching the A for the @ symbol, an S for a $sign, or an E for number 3. Trying to switch these out will make your passwords safer and harder for other people to crack. Remember, you need to stay safe online. If you need help accessing or participating in the digital world, contact PALS for one-on-one tutoring or group classes in digital literacy.